Welcome to Melrose Caverns in Harrisonburg, Virginia. We visited on a holiday and they were super busy. Our party was at max capacity and we were whisked through at high speed and didn't really get to hear all the information about the caverns. Once we located how to get into the building and then into the courtyard area, they asked that no filming be done on the inside of the cavern, so here are just a few speed shots of some stills that we could capture. It is very narrow at spots and had low clearance in some spots, and they asked if anyone couldn't do steep inclines or duck down that they could turn back about midway through the tour. The grounds are beautiful, the staff was nice, and they host weddings and comedy events inside the caverns and are right next to a farm which was abundant in baby cows at the time that we visited. See the link below for the cavern's main information page where you can get to where you can purchase tickets for the cave tours, which are cheaper if you buy them online, and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.